Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com. Brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst host of the GrokStar Trading Room and perhaps your future mentor. A little more on that at the end of the video. Well, here's the trade that we had in the GrokStar Room this morning on AMAP. This is pre-market information with the far right-hand side, the opening line. But if you look here, this dashed line right here, that was the closing line from the night before, and at this point it was up 10%. But this started to fall, and it was falling all during pre-market. Then just before opening, it ran up here and it kicked and it hit $15, also the 50 moving average, and started to fall and fall hard. I told folks, get ready to go short. Let's see what happened next. Bam, bam! Look at that. And I didn't get filled until $14.02. I'm short AMAP. Well, let's pull this up and see what happened to this trade next. As you can see, it already started to fall. And next it was bam! Oh my goodness, look at that. Talk about a falling knife. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 huge red candles in a row. Some of our members from the chat room did not get in up here, decided not to chase. We're waiting for a pullback, which didn't occur, and would drop all the way to $12.25 and then started to pull up. And because this, normally I would use the 8 EMA, but because there was so much exposure there, that was over 3% there, I kept pulling my stop down just below the close of the top one, and I got closed out at $12.51 for a total of 10.3% in just 9 minutes. Ooh, doggies. I love it when trades work out like that. And what happened after that? Well, it started to do a classic bear pullback right up to the 8 EMA. Started to pull over, and then I did short it again for just over 2%. Well, these are the kind of trades we're doing in the GrokStar Room. In fact, we had a phenomenal day in the GrokStar Room. We were 5 of 7 trades for a total of 21%, and that was in the first hour and 5 minutes. After that, it was a choppy market, and we decided not to give any money back. Well, if you'd like to improve your trading, we do have a mentoring session coming up next weekend. If you want to know more about that, just go to freeonline tradingeducation.com and go to this, click on the mentoring page right there, and it'll take you there. And here's a description of our mentoring program in which I will be leading. And here we go, all the way down here. And here's some testimonials from people who have been through the training before. Don't take my word for it. See what the impact has been on their trading, the mentoring program. So if you're interested, just fill out your name here and hit submit. And we'll give you a call, and we'll have a conversation with you, not a sales call, but an interview to see if it's appropriate for you to be in this 3-day mentoring program next Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Just remember, the fight in this trading game is not against the market. It is against your own mind. Trade well.